Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to explore more in positions. So we are going to see fixed positioning today, and also we are going to see what is the difference between fixed and absolute positions. So if you are new here, please consider subscribing so you won't miss any future content. So now let's start the video. Okay, so as you can see, I have created one file in my CSS folder called position fix HTML, and I have this HTML boilerplate now with me. So let's create one small card, okay, and I'll give class name as card, and let's create card and let's apply the position fixed on this card. So the card we can use, and let's take width as 100 pixel, same as height 100 pixel. So background color, let's go with now tail. Okay, so this is the background we have, and this is the card we have. So now let's apply the position fixed on this. Okay, so I'll be writing position, then you have to write fixed, and after that the coordinates. How we know, with the last video we saw like how we can apply the coordinates, which is like top and left and top or right. Okay, or you can go with the bottom left or bottom right. Okay, so let's go with top only, and let's say 20 pixel, or left 20 pixel. Okay, right now there is no difference. If we apply like in the last video we saw how we can apply absolute as well. Okay, if I say absolute also, so it is also same. Okay, so we need to see what is the difference between both of them. Okay, so then only we'll understand what exactly fixed will do and what exactly absolute will do. Okay, yes, now you can see I have two cards now, which is like one is absolute and one is fixed, and let's see the HTML structure how we have created that. So here you can see we have one parent container where you can see one is card and one other one is like card one. Okay, card is representing the absolute and card one is representing the fixed weight. Okay, or the fixed positioning. So both the cards we have, you can see in the preview as well, two. And for the container, what I have did is I have taken width as 600 pixel, height you can say it's like 200 vh. Okay, double of the screen height. Okay, because I want this scroll bar, that's why I have done that 200 vh. Okay, so double of the screen height I have taken it, and then padding I have taken to just get some padding inside that, and the border. Okay, and as it's 600 pixel width, if we go to the browser we can see like this only. Okay, so now let's try to apply position relative on this first, because I want both the cards should be inside this particular container only once I apply the position. Okay, so and with that also we can see the difference as well. Okay, so and one more is we have card and card one, we have both for both of them we have this common properties. That's why using the comma I have taken one more class and then applied the CSS. That's why it's applied on the both cards. Okay, card and the card one. Okay, so now let's go ahead and apply the card position absolute first. Okay, so I will be writing position then absolute, and I want from top 20% and from right side 20%. Okay, now you see I have done this. Okay, now you can see over here from top it's taking 20%, and from right side it's taking 20%. Okay, so 20% what is taking like 20% top, it is taking with respect to the height which we have given to the container. Okay, because as we have provided position relative, so whatever properties we apply here, the width and height, it will consider that only. Okay, with respect to that only this 20% or the whatever percentage we are giving, it will consider with that. Okay, so we have applied the position absolute to this. Now let's apply the position fixed to the card one. Okay, so card one we have, and I will going to apply the same thing like top and right. Okay, same top and right I will apply, but only the position name I will change to fixed. Okay, so from top I need 20%, and from right side let's say 20%. Okay, and let's save it, and let's go to browser to see properly. Okay, here we can't see because this is a half screen. Let me go to the browser, and now here's the screen. Okay, now you can see I have applied this, but you can see properly absolute is coming based on the position relative. Okay, so I have applied the position relative to this container, and it is coming with respect to that only. But in the case of fixed position, it will not going to consider any position relative. Okay, it will only consider the body section only. Okay, and this is the one difference between position absolute and the fixed. And the other difference is, once you scroll it, okay, once you we have this scroll bar, right? Once you scroll it, the position absolute will stay there only in the page, but position fixed will be there in the screen. Okay, so right now this is our screen. It will not going to move according to the page. Okay, it will be in the screen only. So if I scroll down, you see absolute is moving above because like this particular box is moving, but fix will be here only. It will never going to change its position if I scroll also. Okay, but in the case of absolute, it will definitely going to scroll it. Okay, so this is the another difference between position fixed and the absolute. Okay, so this is about the position fixed, and also what is the difference between position fixed and absolute. So in the next video, we are going to see how we can work with position sticky. Okay. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing to the channel and give it a thumbs up. I'll be back with more content in the next video. Thank you.